Hey guys, I am going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. So in the first step, go to search bar, type services and simply open it. Now on this window, just scroll down and then find out for Windows Update. Simply right click on it, select properties. Then on this window, we need to click on stop. It will stop the services. After that, from the startup type, select disable, then click on apply and then simply go to recovery tab. Then from the first failure, click on take no action, then click on apply and then OK. Now once it's done, simply close this window and move to the last step. That will be go to open settings, then click on Windows Update, and from here you can see the update failed. So there we go. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.